Alright, and so today's video we're looking at a Bilt Bronco 42 lawn tractor. I think this lawn tractor was picked up from Tractor Supply. Under the hood, we've got a Briggs and Stratton 19 horsepower engine. This particular lawn tractor, I just tuned it up. We got a couple of brand new tires on the front. We got an oil change. We got new fuel and fuel filter. There was actually a couple of bugs in the gas tank that while I was actually running it, all of a sudden it would die. And I found out because the bug, the dead bug of course in there, it clogged up the end of the fuel line. And so rather than have that happen to the owner, I took the time to cut the strap here and take the gas tank off and dump it out and drain it, and had to use a couple of zip ties or cable ties or whatever you want to call them to put the gas tank back in place. But yeah, and I just did a repair on this as well. The valve cover up front there was leaking, and this whole section was covered in oil, so I degreased that, pressure washed that, and now it looks like the fix took. So but anyway, here we go. Briggs and Stratton 19 horsepower. Let's take a look at the engine model number right there. If you can't see that, I'll post that up above here. Here is the, ooh, I don't know if you can see that. There we go. Some information, part numbers, specs, belt routing for the deck. Alright, so yeah, like I said, this is a Bilt Bronco 42. This is a 42-inch deck. It's hydrostatic. Well, it's not hydrostatic. It has forward, neutral, and reverse. Is it hydrostatic? I don't know. Doesn't matter. Battery's back here. Here's the model number. This one, date of manufacture from 2018. Just your basic lawn tractor for cutting the grass. This one's been around the block a couple times. That's evident by the fact that I had to replace the front tires because they were just worn out. So anyway, there it is. Go to Tractor Supply and get yourself one. Thanks for watching.